So today, guys, we have one of my absolute favorite things to work with. Ooh, this big old lobster. So you don't want your lobster to tense up when you put them in boiling water. So the best way to do it is just them instantly, and that way they don't really feel any pain and your meat is tender. Okay. Also, you can see there's like this line that you'll see across the top of their head. That's kind of where you want to get your knife in position, right? It's going to take a lot. All right, so now I'm going to twist this off. This is a big old lobster. I literally, when I got the biggest lobster I could find. Ooh, that was an egg sack. Whew. So he's cleaned out. All right, so perfect. So now I'm just going to take the claws off, and I'm actually going to utilize the claw for some flavor in this dish that we're going to make today. And it's just going to taste good. Okay, who doesn't love lobster? Okay, who doesn't? I definitely do. Okay, I think everybody should love lobster. Why not? So here. And we could use the smaller claws, but I don't really want to use those. So I'll add it to the pot just for the flavor, but we're not gonna use them. Look at him. Set him to the side. Okay. So this is what we're working with: tail and claws. Okay. Put that to the side. Now, so what I'm gonna do is cut this lobster right down the middle. And we're going to add it to the pot. We're going to saute it up. I'm going to add a little bit of onion and tomato just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. Then I'm going to remove it from the shell, and then we're going to use that for our pasta. Ooh, look at, ooh, and it's so tender. Look at that. Yep, that's what I like. All right, so now we're going to add the lobster. I'm just going to break it in pieces because, first of all, look at how tender it is. Okay, now I'm going to add the pasta. And I'm not going to do all of this pasta, but this smells so delicious. When I tell you, okay, I'm reloaded. Ooh. This is ridiculous. Let's try it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is it. This is it. I have no words. This is this is top tier, the business. Okay. Thank you very much.